This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Welcome to the James I model by Wetherington Homes in the Reserve at Cedar Point. Brand new homes tucked inside a beautifully established golf club community. This single-level home offers tons of flexibility, from the spacious floor plan to carefully curated options. The moment you enter, you'll notice how well appointed this home is. Your dining room could be used as a flex space. Open kitchen. Luxury vinyl plank floors and granite counters included in all models. Owner's suite offers privacy, plenty of closet space, ceramic tile shower. Various design options/upgrades avail to truly customize your new home. Master model to be built. For more information, review the details below or contact Carla Walker at 757-652.